student, today we will discuss following properties in periodic table. Number 1, metallic properties, metallic or non-metallic properties. Number 2, ionization, enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, Number 3, electronegativity, IP, electron gain enthalpy and electron negativity. And last one, valency. Okay. In periodic table, 2/3 of elements are metal. We remember, 2/3 of elements in periodic table are metals. How? Left hand side of periodic table elements are metal, and from top to bottom metallic properties increases. Therefore, 2/3 of elements in periodic table are metal. So metals you may call male is dominant, then non-metal means female. Male means metal is dominant, then non-metal means female. 2/3 of periodic table are metal and only 1/3 is non-metal. See, number 1 point, metallic profile. Left hand side of periodic table is metal and right hand side of periodic tables are non-metal. Therefore, from left to right in periodic table, metallic properties is from high to low, means decreases. Okay? Again remember, left hand side of periodic table is metal and right hand side is non-metal. Therefore, from left to right in periodic table, metallic properties decreases. Again, metal is also called electropositive element. It is also called reducing agent. Metal is also called electropositive element because it lost electron, and those which lost electron is called reducing agent. Therefore, metallic property as well as electropositive property and as well as reducing property decreases from left to right. First point. Second, ionization potential या ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electron negativity. Okay, these are properties of element. First we will discuss what is ionization enthalpy. It is nothing but amount of energy required to remove electron from an isolated gaseous atom is called ionization enthalpy, and vice versa. Amount of energy required in amount of energy added you obtain when electron is added to isolated gaseous atom is called gain enthalpy. Okay, ionization potential is amount of energy required to remove electron, and gain enthalpy amount of energy released obtained when electron is added to gaseous atom. Okay? And third one is electronegativity. Electronegativity is nothing but ionization potential plus electron gain enthalpy by 5.6 means electron negativity is directly proportional to IP plus electron gain enthalpy. Okay? Mathematically, electron negativity is nothing but sum of IP plus ETE by 5.6. And by definition, electron negativity is nothing but tendency to attract bond pair of electron towards itself. In a compound, property a tendency to attract electron pair of electron towards itself is called electron negativity. Okay? Therefore, as these two increases, it will increase. If decrease, it will decrease. Okay? And third one is valency. Valency, what is valency? Valency is nothing but amount of electron, number of electron lost or gained or shared to obtain nearest inert gas electronic configuration. What is valency? Again, amount, number of electron required to remove electron, add electron or share electron to obtain nearest inert gas electronic configuration. Now we will discuss ionization potential, again enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electron negativity in periodic table. Again, one more point is there. Fourth point is atomic size. Atomic size. Atomic size. Ion will be atomic size or ionic size. The ionic radius. Okay. Left hand side is metal. Right hand side is metal. As we know, metal is just like male and non-metal is just like female. As we know, size of male is larger than size of non-metal. It is fundamental fact. Height of male is more than height of non-female. Therefore, atomic size of metal are higher than atomic size of non-metal. Therefore, from left to right, size of element goes on decreasing up to big number 17 group, not in address. From left hand side to right hand side, from first to 17, not in address. Size of atoms decreases because this is metal, female, this is non-metal. Remember, from left to right, size height of element goes on decreasing from first to 17. Now we will discuss ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, and electronegativity. These are properties of element. These are properties. Again, these three properties are lower in metal than in non-metal. Although metal have greater size, but these properties, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity is less in metal. Although size is higher, larger, but these properties lower. But in case of female, non-metal, size is although lower, but these three properties are higher. Hence, from left to right, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, as well as electron negativity is from low to high. Of course, from first to 17 only. We will discuss later on. Okay. And third one is valency. What is valency? it is nothing but number of electron loss, gain, share during formation of compound. Every element tries to obtain nearest inert gas configuration. From left to right, valency increases up to carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again decreases 3, 2, 1 and 0. Hence in periodic index block and P block, valency first increases up to 14. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay? Very easy to remember without complication. Remember, left hand side elements are metal, male, and right hand side element is female, non-metal. Only, as we know, size of metal are larger than size of non-metal. Only up here, because it is inert. Therefore, atomic size of element from first to 17 goes on decreases because it is metal, it is non-metal. Again, metal have large size, but these three properties is low. Okay? Therefore, in case of metal, I, P, electron gaining enthalpy, as well as electron negativity is low. In case of non-metal it is high. Therefore, from left to right, these three properties increases from 1 to 17. Okay? And last one is valency. What is valency? It is nothing but number of electron loss, gain, share during formation of compound. Every element tries to obtain nearest inert gas electronic configuration. In this case, from 1 to 13, 14, valency increases. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And again it increases. 3, 2, 1 and 0. This is our variation in properties in periodic table. Again, what is metal? Metal are those which lost electron. Metal is also called electropositive element because by losing electron it acquires positive charge. Metals are also called reducing agent because those which lost electron take part in oxidation is called reducing agent. Therefore, metallic properties, non-metallic properties and electropositive properties is from high to low, from left to right. And of course, non-metallic property will be just reverse. Okay? You make out from left to right, non-metallic properties increases. Okay? Non-metallic means क्या? Oxidizing agent properties increases. Also called electronegative properties increases. Or really remember these metallic properties and reverse will be automatically clear. Metal also called electropositive element, also called reducing agent. Okay? These properties decreases from left to right, from here only. Okay? And again, metal also have larger in size than non-metal. Therefore, size of metal decreases from left to right up to here. But these properties is lower in case of metal. Hence, electron ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electron negativity will be from low to high up to here. Okay? Now we will discuss the reason behind it. The reason behind it. See, metal are larger in size. because it lost electron. It lost electron. Lost electron. Stop. See. Hydrogen, here lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium as well as francium. Since from left to right metallic properties decreases, just reverse from top to bottom in group it will be reversed. That decrease it will be increased. Hence lithium, 2 sodium, 2 potassium, rubidium, best metal will be cesium. Metallic properties increases. You may call electropositive property increases. You may call reducing property increases because in case of francium loss of electron is easy because 2, 8, 8, 2, 10, 30, 36, 38, 48, 54, 56, 57, 71, 80, 80, 86 and 1. In case of francium, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orbit. 7 orbit. In case of francium, there is 7 orbit. 7 orbit. But in case of lithium, 2 and 1. Only 1 electron. 2 orbit. In case of francium, there is 7 orbit. But in case of lithium, there is 2 orbit. And valence electron is same, 1 and 1. Therefore, these two are in same group, first group. Loss of electron from francium is easy because this electron is far from electropositive nucleus. 7 are apart from nucleus. But in case of this electron is very close to nucleus. Therefore, loss of electron in case of francium is easy. Then in case of therefore, francium is best metal, best electropositive as well as best reducing agent than lithium. Okay? Very clear? Now you will see this property in group. Sodium is first member, third period. Sodium first, 2, 8 and 1, and chlorine 17, 2, 8 and 7. In case of sodium, orbit is equal to 3. In case of chlorine, orbit is same, orbit is 3. Okay? Third period, first member is sodium and last member, this is inert gas, is chlorine. Okay? Both have 3 orbit. Okay? But this has 17 electron negative and 17 positive. But this has 11 proton and 11 electron. See, in case of sodium and chlorine, both have 3 orbit. But in this case, proton is plus is 11 and negative is electron is 11. Or in this case, electron is 17 and proton is 17. Force of attraction is more in case of chlorine than in sodium. Therefore, size of chlorine is smaller than size of sodium. Again remember, both have same number of orbit. In a period, first and last but one member have same number of orbit. But first member has less attraction, last member has more attraction. Hence, size of chlorine is very smaller than size of sodium. Therefore, size of element from left to right up to 70 degrees here. Since there is less attraction than here. So loss of electron means electron ionization enthalpy. Okay? Ionization enthalpy is less. Since in this case attraction is less, hence loss of electron is easy. Therefore, electron gain enthalpy, electron ionization potential, as well as electron negativity will be less. But in case of chlorine, attraction is more. Therefore, loss of electron is more, as well as electron gain enthalpy will be more. Therefore, electron negativity will be negative. It is clear. These properties, ionization enthalpy, gain enthalpy, and depend upon size as well as attraction. Now we will discuss exception. Which is very important for neat point of view as well as for completion point of view. Exception, very important. Exception. In general, metallic property or electropositive property or reducing agent property from left to right is from high to low up to here. Okay, and atomic size from one left to right decreases. Okay, and these three properties from left to right increases here. Okay. And now there is exception. This exception is based upon electronic configuration. See, beryllium and boron. It should be higher in ionization potential because from left to right it is. But ionization enthalpy of beryllium is greater than boron. It should be, according to general law, boron should have more electron ionization enthalpy than beryllium because from left to right. But in actual practice, it is more than this. But it will be discussed on the basis of electron negativity.